John here with Masters of Smoke. Today we're smoking crescent rolls. We're gonna go to the Gravity series and smoke these 375 degrees for about 10 minutes. All right, Gravity series 375 degrees. We're gonna go for 10 minutes.
Dad, what do we do?
Well, we got busy and we left them on for 28 and a half minutes.
How long were they supposed to go on?
They were supposed to go on for 10. It's actually not overcooked. Yeah, it's overcooked. But it's edible. If at first you don't succeed, try again. I think they look a lot better. The package calls for 9 to 12 minutes. I actually cooked these for 15 minutes and they look slightly better than the first ones. That's what's up out there.
They're hot?
That's pretty hot.